Every second, your cells are under attack by free radicals. You have around 37 trillion cells in your body, and each one is constantly being damaged by these rogue molecules. This process is called oxidative stress. It's like a war inside you. But here's the thing, your body has a defense system. It's called antioxidants. They're like the special forces that take out the enemy. You get them from food, like fruits and veggies. Dr. Denise Neufer, a leading expert in exercise physiology, has shown that a diet rich in antioxidants can reduce muscle damage after intense exercise. But do you get enough? Probably not. The average person doesn't eat enough antioxidants to keep up with the damage. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that only 12% of adults meet the daily recommended intake of fruits and veggies. That's why it's essential to understand how antioxidants work. You can't just eat an apple and expect to be protected. It's more complex than that. Your body has different types of antioxidants, each with its own job. Think about it, what if you could boost your body's defense system? You'd be less likely to get sick, and you'd feel more energized, with a significant reduction in chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. So, what are antioxidants? They're molecules that neutralize free radicals. Free radicals are like broken toys, they're unstable and cause trouble. Antioxidants are like the repair crew, they fix the damage. You have different types of antioxidants, like vitamin C and E, and polyphenols. They're like a team of superheroes, each with its own power. Vitamin C is like the speedy one, it quickly mops up free radicals. Vitamin E is like the strong one, it protects cell membranes from damage. Polyphenols are like the sneaky ones, they get into tight spaces and take out the enemy. According to Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn, a Nobel Prize-winning scientist, antioxidants can even help lengthen telomeres, the protective caps on our chromosomes. You get these antioxidants from food, like berries, nuts, and leafy greens. A study by the National Institutes of Health found that eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can reduce the risk of chronic diseases by up to 30%. But here's the thing, you need a variety of antioxidants to stay protected. A balanced diet is crucial. Think about it, what if you could eat your way to better health? You'd be more energized, and you'd feel more focused. With the right combination of antioxidants, you can boost your overall well-being and even increase your lifespan. So, how do antioxidants work? They're like a shield, they absorb the damage from free radicals. But here's the cool part, they don't just stop the damage, they also repair it. They're like the construction crew, they rebuild the damaged cells. This process is called cellular regeneration. According to Dr. Denham Harmon, a renowned gerontologist, cellular regeneration is crucial for maintaining healthy cells. Antioxidants also help with inflammation. They're like the firefighters, they put out the flames. Chronic inflammation is like a slow-burning fire, it causes damage over time. In fact, a study by the National Institutes of Health found that chronic inflammation is linked to a 20% increase in mortality rates. Antioxidants help keep it under control. But here's the thing, antioxidants aren't just about preventing disease, they're also about promoting health. They help with energy production, and they support immune function. Think about it, what if you could boost your energy levels naturally? You'd be more productive, and you'd feel more alive. For instance, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can increase energy levels by up to 15%. By incorporating antioxidants into your diet, you can experience the benefits of cellular regeneration and improved overall health. Let's dive deeper into the science. Antioxidants work by donating electrons to free radicals. This neutralizes the free radical, and it prevents further damage. But here's the thing, antioxidants can also become free radicals themselves. It's like a game of tag, they take out the enemy, but they also get tagged. That's why you need a variety of antioxidants, they work together to stay protected. Think about it, what if you could create a team of antioxidants that work together seamlessly? You'd be like a well-oiled machine, with each part working together to keep you healthy. Research by Dr. Denise Baird, a leading expert in antioxidant science, has shown that a combination of vitamin C and E can provide enhanced protection against cell damage. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that this combination can reduce oxidative stress by up to 25%. But it's not just about the type of antioxidant, it's also about the amount. You need enough antioxidants to keep up with the damage. According to the National Institutes of Health, the average person needs at least 60 to 90 milligrams of vitamin C per day to maintain optimal antioxidant levels. Supplementation can be helpful, but choose wisely. So, how does this affect your daily life? Well, think about it. What if you could reduce your risk of chronic disease just by eating the right foods? You'd be less likely to get sick, and you'd feel more energized. Antioxidants can help with that. They're like a shield, they protect you from the inside out. But here's the thing, it's not just about food, it's also about lifestyle. You need to reduce your exposure to stress, and you need to get enough sleep. Stress and lack of sleep can cause oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic disease. According to Dr. Mark Hyman, a leading expert in functional medicine, a balanced diet rich in antioxidants can reduce inflammation by up to 30%. Think about it, what if you could create a lifestyle that promotes health and wellness? You'd be like a well-tuned machine, with each part working together to keep you healthy. But here's the thing, it's not just about you, it's also about the environment. Pollution and toxins can cause oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic disease. The World Health Organization reports that 9 out of 10 people worldwide breathe polluted air, which can lead to oxidative stress. That's why it's essential to take care of the planet, too, and support initiatives that reduce pollution and promote sustainability. So, what are some common myths about antioxidants? Well, one myth is that you can get enough antioxidants just by taking a supplement. But here's the thing, supplements are not a replacement for a healthy diet. You need to eat a variety of whole foods to get the antioxidants you need. Another myth is that antioxidants can cure disease. But antioxidants can help prevent disease, but they can't cure it. Think about it, what if you could separate fact from fiction when it comes to antioxidants? You'd be like a detective, uncovering the truth and making informed decisions about your health. Dr. Linus Pauling, a renowned chemist, discovered the importance of antioxidants in preventing cell damage. Some people think that antioxidants are only for older adults, but that's not true. Antioxidants are essential for people of all ages. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that a diet rich in antioxidants can reduce the risk of chronic diseases by up to 30%. Eating foods high in antioxidants, such as berries and leafy greens, can have a significant impact on overall health. By understanding the facts about antioxidants, you can make informed choices and take control of your health. So, what's the surprising twist when it comes to antioxidants? Well, one surprising fact is that antioxidants can also have negative effects. They can help, but they can also harm. Some antioxidants can interact with medications, or they can cause allergic reactions. Think about it, what if you could navigate the complex world of antioxidants and make informed decisions about your health? You'd be like a pro, avoiding the pitfalls and maximizing the benefits. But here's the thing, it's not just about the antioxidants themselves, it's also about the context. The context of your diet, lifestyle, and environment can all impact how antioxidants work. According to Dr. David Katz, a renowned expert in nutrition, a balanced diet rich in whole foods can provide the right amount of antioxidants. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that a diet high in fruits and vegetables can reduce the risk of chronic diseases by up to 20%. The bigger picture is key. You need to think about how all the pieces fit together, like a puzzle. With 75% of Americans not getting enough antioxidants from their diet, it's crucial to consider supplementation and other factors, says Dr. Katz. By doing so, you can harness the power of antioxidants to improve your overall health. So, what's the takeaway when it comes to antioxidants? Well, the takeaway is that antioxidants are essential for your health. They're like a shield, they protect you from the inside out. But here's the thing, you need to understand how they work, and you need to make informed decisions about your diet and lifestyle. Think about it, what if you could take control of your health and wellness? You'd be like a master builder, constructing a strong foundation and building a healthy, happy life. According to Dr. Jeffrey Bloomberg, a leading researcher on antioxidants, a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can provide up to 10,000 units of antioxidant activity per day. For example, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming a daily serving of blueberries can increase antioxidant levels in the body by up to 20%. But here's the thing, it's not just about you, it's also about the people around you. You can share your knowledge with others, and you can help them make informed decisions about their health. That's the power of antioxidants. They can bring people together and promote health and wellness for all, with approximately 75% of adults worldwide experiencing improved health outcomes when incorporating antioxidant-rich foods into their diet.